The Thompson was widely adopted by the US Armed Forces during World War II and was also used extensively by other Allied troops during the war. Its main models were designated as the Model 1920A1, the M1 and the M1A1. During this time, more than 1.5 million Thompson submachine guns were produced during World War II. Mine is the M1 and it's the current UK spec deactivation. It doesn't strip, it doesn't cock or dry fire. The magazine does eject, and the select fire and the safe and fire mode switches do move. The full auto and the single fire, and the fire and the safe. And then the magazine does eject, and I don't know if you can see any difference between the magazine, but they have, if you can see that, they've cut a semicircle, if you like, into the magazine, and then here there's a steel rod which has been welded, and hence why that has been cut. So if you wanted to, you can't put a 30 round magazine or another 20 round. You've just stuck with this one, which is a bit of a shame. And it's just under spring pressure, doesn't cock, and then you can't dry fire it. It is a shame, but I'm not too overly bothered about it. I'm just more than happy I've got a original piece. I'll just take you in for a closer look at the details. Just under spring pressure, and then here's the close-up of the metal rod I've welded in, and you can see here you can't put a 30 round magazine if you wanted to. It's a bit of a shame. And then the safe, and then the fire, and then the fully auto, and then the single round, the mag ejection lever, trigger. Again, there's that metal rod welded in there. Thanks for watching.